way, sometimes feeling like you let your side down a bit. Got to let it go though, move on.
Good return. Yes, just towards the...
Look at that cross shot there. Wow.
Yeah.
Excellent shot from Tan Wee Kyung.
Come on, come on!
Excellent.
I think it's about chest height by the time it gets to... Yes. Chinese pair want it changed. Malaysians say no. The umpire agrees with the Malaysians.
Professional.
We're going to have a third and deciding game. Oh, good interception. Second game. Look at the elevation on that jump smash.
With the preferred front.
Again, that he's moving his feet when he serves as well. He's walking into it. Of course, he mustn't getting very animated there.
Yeah, because he feels that this match is winnable.
Yeah.
This is one of the matches that you...
In the USA Super 300, and never prior to this even played in a 500 event as a pair, let alone a Super 1.
A battle for the attack.
That's a nice shot.
That time, and it worked again now. Good defense from Tam Wee-Kiong, just close to the net.
That's out of that point.
Or, as it indeed it is.
The pressure of playing a team match. Playing for your country instead of just playing for your...
One game all and 9 all. Korean team, though, in the very first tournament of the major tournament, Super Series.
Makes perfectly sense because the hall in Korea and the shuttles are playing a bit slow there. And
oh yes.
Watanabe is hitting it on his own side.
18.
Look at the angle he produces. Look at that.